Hello, I'm John with TTU. The following is a step-by-step demo of the TTU Trax software that accompanies our demo brochure. Please refer to the brochure for more details. Step-by-step demo John Morant, Pelicans High School. Step: click My Students from navigation panel. Step: click the blue binocular icon in the Pelicans High School box and the screen will update. Step: scroll up and see the list of students in your cases. In the case of a large number of students, this list will be scrollable. See Clippers High School, for example. Staff may do a student search to forego this step and find a student directly. Step: using our demo student, we see John Morant. In this box, we can immediately see photo, name, team members, and option to add members. Student status, set by admin or team lead. Step: click on John Morant's data box, and scrolling down, we are able to see the Student Services workspace. Features: calendar with customizable notifications. Links to create meetings. Multi-file uploader for district documents, demographics, attendance reports, etc. Docs, sheets, and report links. PowerSchool, email, Slack, and other customizable district links. At a glance section reflects the most recent information on demographics and intervention activities, which include options to enter dates of service and comments. The demographic box in this section has a date noted. This date is set by staff and reflects deadlines for students. For example, if a student has agreed to become compliant by date X, this is noted as a deadline date. Quick comment section. All are maintained in the database and last activity remains visible. Step: to update information and interventions regarding John Morant, we have 3 options to do so. We can click the Click to Provide Updates button in the center of the demographic section. We can continue to scroll down to the main menu and click the Updates tab in the navigation menu. Staff wishing to begin with updates need only start with that tab. Features: demographic, status, team members, and other information are provided in the demographic box. Referral summary box. This box allows staff to input a long-form discussion of the specifics of the student's referral into the program and receiving services. This is a dynamic text input box allowing for links, emojis, video, mentions, and formatting. The information is entered into the database and remains visible. It can be updated and added to. Reason for referral updates: interventions performed updates, lists, and comments. Student phone updates, most recent and comments to list older with explanations. Student guardian update, update and comments. Student address updates, update and comment. Student status update, choices and comments. Restricted updates, admin or team lead only. Admin codes. Progress status update. Priority update. Team lead analytics. Team leads complete these updates to enter them into the database. This data is used in the monthly reports found on the home page under Quick Data. Intervention code choices. Initial referral code choices. Student intent choice. Ongoing referral codes choices. Custom choices. This completes the step-by-step demo.